Welcome to Car Garage, where we bring you the latest reviews and insights on cars that define performance, style, and innovation. Today we are diving into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz W126, a modern tribute to the legendary S-Class lineup that once set the global benchmark for luxury sedans. This new generation not only preserves the spirit of the classic W126, but also enhances it with cutting-edge technology, refined engineering, and a design philosophy that blends tradition with modernity. Under the hood, the 2025 W126 comes with a range of powertrain options tailored to different preferences. The base variant features a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine that produces a smooth 362 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. For those seeking more performance, there's a V8-powered AMG variant that churns out around 500 horsepower, delivering exhilarating acceleration while maintaining the comfort expected of an S-Class. Additionally, a plug-in hybrid model is available, offering an electric-only range of approximately 80 kilometers, ideal for city driving with zero emissions. In terms of design, the 2025 W126 embodies elegance with a bold presence. Its exterior features a long, flowing body line, sleek LED headlights, a signature Mercedes grille, and refined chrome accents. The design pays homage to the original W126 while incorporating aerodynamic enhancements that improve fuel efficiency and driving dynamics. The proportions remain stately, emphasizing its executive sedan identity, with an extended wheelbase that contributes to a spacious cabin. Step inside, and you're greeted with unmatched luxury and innovation. The cabin of the 2025 W126 is crafted using the finest materials, including genuine leather, open-pore wood trim, and brushed aluminum. A massive OLED touchscreen dominates the dashboard, integrating infotainment, navigation, and vehicle controls seamlessly. Mercedes has equipped the W126 with the latest version of its MBUX system, enhanced with AI that learns user preferences and adapts accordingly. Voice control is more intuitive than ever, allowing for hands-free operation of most features. Comfort is at the heart of the W126 experience. The seats are multi-contour ventilated and offer massage functions for both front and rear passengers. The rear cabin in particular is a sanctuary with optional executive lounge seating, ambient lighting, and dual entertainment screens. Noise insulation has been optimized through acoustic glass and advanced soundproofing materials, making the interior whisper quiet, even at highway speeds. On the safety front, the 2025 W126 is equipped with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, active lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. One standout feature is the Drive Pilot system, which enables Level 3 autonomous driving in select conditions, making it one of the most advanced systems currently available. The suspension system on the W126 is designed for maximum ride comfort and handling precision. It features Mercedes Adaptive Airmatic air suspension, which adjusts in real time to road conditions and driving style. This ensures a smooth ride whether cruising on highways or navigating city streets. The car also features rear axle steering, which improves maneuverability at low speeds and enhances stability at higher speeds. Technology plays a central role throughout the vehicle. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a premium Burmester 4D surround sound system elevate the in-car experience. The ambient lighting system offers over 64 colors and dynamic effects that can be synced with driving modes or music. Mercedes has also introduced an updated digital key system, allowing owners to lock, unlock, and start their car via smartphone or smartwatch. Practicality has not been overlooked. The W126 offers a generously sized trunk with power open and close functions and smart load assist. The split-folding rear seats add flexibility for carrying longer items when needed. Fuel efficiency has been improved across the range thanks to the use of lightweight materials, regenerative braking, and engine start-stop technology. The plug-in hybrid variant in particular offers an attractive combination of low running costs and strong performance. In terms of customization, Mercedes offers a wide array of personalization options. Customers can choose from multiple exterior colors, alloy wheel designs, interior trims, and technology packages. Whether you prefer a sporty appearance or a classic luxury theme, the W126 can be tailored to your style. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz W126 is a masterclass in modern luxury, blending classic values with futuristic features. It caters to those who demand sophistication, comfort, and cutting-edge innovation in one elegant package. From business executives to automotive enthusiasts, this vehicle continues the legacy of the iconic S-Class with pride. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with the latest car news, reviews, and detailed features, make sure to subscribe to Car Garage for more content like this every week.